Microneedling has become a trend that many beauty gurus, influencers, and YouTubers swear by. Also known as dermarolling, the process involves moving a handheld tool packed with needles across the face. Why on earth would anyone do that? To stimulate the production of new collagen and hyaluronic acid, of course. But the question always comes up, should you be microneedling at home? Can I buy one online and use it safely at home? What are the risks? In this video, I'll go over the pros and cons of microneedling at home versus going into a dermatologist or an aesthetician's office, and what my take is on this, so stay tuned till the end. Hi guys, you see Narsalon Media Pharmacist here on YouTube, where I help you guys make better and more informed decisions about your health and wellness. So if that's something you're into, be sure to smash that like button below now. Also while you're at it, hit that subscribe button too, as well as the notification bell right next to it to stay up to date with new weekly health and wellness videos. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Microneedling, also called dermarolling, is the process of running hundreds of tiny needles less than 3 millimeters across your skin in order to promote new collagen growth. And the process has been proven to reduce the appearance of acne scars, wrinkles, as well as hyperpigmentation. How, you might ask? The idea is pretty simple. The tiny needle pinpricks going across your face cause slight injury to the skin, in which the body rushes to patch up the injury by growing fresh collagen and fresh elastin, creating a more youthful appearance. And you may know someone personally who does it and swears by it, but what's the difference between buying one online and doing it at home versus going into it and getting it done professionally? Well, before getting into the pros and cons, you have to know that the process is quite different. One, because at-home cosmetic needling is actually epidermal needling, and clinical needling done professionally is dermal needling, which means at-home devices vary in sizes between 0.1 to 0.3 millimeters in terms of needle depth, and is primarily designed to enhance absorption of your skincare ingredients and only penetrates into the epidermis. As far as professional treatment, the depth increases to 0.5 to 1.5 millimeters in an esthetician's clinic, or even deeper, up to 3 millimeters in a dermatologist clinic. And the aim here is to create a wound to start the regeneration process of collagen to fill up that very wound at the dermal level. Nowadays, you can find professional depth rollers online, which is scary because there's so much risk that goes into them that the general public may not be fully aware of. Hence why I'm making this video. Now let's get straight into the pros and cons of microneedling at home. The first advantage is that it's going to be much more affordable. Most purchases of derma rollers coming in from Amazon run you around 20 bucks. Talk about savings. Professional microneedling treatments can range anywhere from 200 to 700 bucks and usually require multiple treatments to see noticeable results. Although the number will vary, most people need anywhere from 3 to 6 sessions for the best results. And with this in mind, you may spend anywhere from $600 to $4,200 overall. The second advantage is that you can still get noticeable results sometimes. Many people indicate that they see noticeable improvements in skin tone and skin texture and the appearance of acne scars, pockmarks, and hyperpigmentation, which are all amazing, and that's the goal we want to achieve. But these results are based on individual skins reacting to the procedure and have not been proven in any sort of medical research. So that's not to say you won't find the same results, it's just not guaranteed results is what I'm saying. But if you go through the Amazon reviews, there are full of before and after photos that you could check out supporting the claims, if you trust Amazon reviews, that is. The third advantage is that your skincare products will get better absorption. Even if you don't see your facial scars magically disappear, one of the benefits you still get at is while doing it at home, the products you apply after, like serums, will absorb into your skin better. Serums especially are designed to nourish your skin beneath the surface layer, so opening up your skin through microneedling encourages serums to absorb more deeply, improving their effectiveness. This is especially true with vitamin C. Now let's get into the cons. No one likes to talk about them, but for the purpose of this video, let's get to them. The biggest disadvantage from microneedling at home is the risk of infection. When you microneedle, you're basically opening up your skin and creating nearly microscopic wounds. It's those small open wounds that allow bugs to get through and cause infection. This is especially true with the calibration and the quality of the needles. Poor calibration can lead to skewed needles, which can hurt your skin and cause infections. Something else to take notice of, especially if you're trying to use it every day, which I don't recommend at all. all. The second disadvantage is it's obviously not as effective. The needles on at-home dermal rolls are much smaller than those found in an esthetician's office. Because of that, the results are much less noticeable than professional treatments. Especially if you have deep acne scars, you won't be able to see noticeable changes. The last disadvantage really comes down to potential skin damage. The wrong technique can easily cause micro tears in the skin, leading to scarring and hyperpigmentation. While there are lots of how-to videos here on YouTube showing you step-by-step how to get it done, you still run the risk of damaging your skin by pressing too hard, ripping the skin, or causing unnecessary irritation. Those are all things to keep in mind. And now for the burning question, what is my personal take on this? I am all for microneedling and think it's an innovative way to approach achieving a youthful appearance, and it also enhances your skin's natural state. But with that said, I would have to side with my dermatologist here on YouTube. While there is data to show the benefits of microneedling, I do not recommend at-home products and recommend seeing a dermatologist in person to see if your skin would be even a good fit for it. They know skincare and can leave you rest assured of a job well done. It can make sure to control the bleeding issues that can also happen with the ones done at home, only because you can't guarantee sterility of the needles and your technique may not be the best either. Also, over time, your needles at home become dull, and that leads to skin tears and hyperpigmentation. A trained professional will use the appropriate needle size for each individual client's personal needs and ensure that needles are primed. They will give you a much more effective treatment with minimal downtime. Dermatologists also use radio frequency with microneedling because of the good depth control, and it delivers energy directly into the target area. And as far as something as real as making microscopic wounds to your skin, it may be just best to leave that for the professionals. Some other important things to keep in mind is that you should avoid microneedling if you have open sores, a sunburn, psoriasis, wounds, inflammatory acne lesions, warts, and other bacterial, active, viral, or fungal skin infections. And you should not use it on any skin infections, cold sores, and rosacea. Now I want to hear from you guys. Have you had microneedling done? Did it work for you? Did it help tighten your skin or treat your acne? Let me know in the comments below. I hope that this video is useful to you guys and that you learned something new. Like the video if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to stay on board with all my other weekly health and wellness videos. Thanks for sticking tuned all the way till the end, and I'll see you guys on the next one.